Okay, friends, I'm back. So in the last video, I asked you to think about your schema, what you already know about butterflies, and I asked you to write it down. Okay, so now we're going to start learning some new information about butterflies. I'm going to read you this book about butterflies, and I'm also going to link to 2 videos about butterflies so you can get some new information. And then you can decide if your schema, what you already know, was true or if it was false, if it was a misconception, that really isn't true about butterflies. Okay? And that's okay. That's why we learn new things. All right, here we go. Caterpillar to butterfly. And this is an informational text. It's going to teach us about butterflies. Caterpillar to butterfly. The author is Laura Marsh. And there are no illustrations because there are real photographs in here. Table of contents tells us where we can find different things about butterflies, what page they're on. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly. A butterfly. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors. Some have bold patterns too. So butterflies are colorful. Butterflies have patterns. 4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. The first stage is egg. The second stage is caterpillar. The third stage is chrysalis. And the 4th stage is butterfly. Stage 1, egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food, that is. Okay? So a mother butterfly lays her eggs on a branch or leaf, and you can see some of the different eggs and what they look like. Some of them are hanging, some of them are on top, different sizes and colors of eggs. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it is on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too. And we've read a book already, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, but I'm going to link to that read aloud on Friday for a fun Friday about caterpillars and how much they eat. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. Stage 3, chrysalis. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. Stage 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. And the tube that works like a straw is called a proboscis. And it curls up when they're not using it. And then when they find a fruit or a flower to drink from, their proboscis comes out so they can drink. Cool butterfly facts. 1. Butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales, like a fish. 2. Butterflies are found all over the world, except in Antarctica, where it's cold, and we learned about Antarctica, and the driest deserts. Oh, sorry, that was 3, guys. 2. The world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. It is the length of a push pin from wing to wing, so just a teeny tiny butterfly. The blue pygmy. 4. There are 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. 5. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. So we taste with our tongue. Butterflies taste with their feet. And 6, the world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It is as long as a ruler, so about this long from wing to wing. Wow. Okay, so that's an awesome book that tells about the stages that make a butterfly. They start as a caterpillar and end up as a butterfly. Good job, guys. Now I want you to watch the 2 videos that will give you some more new information about butterflies. And when we meet tomorrow in our class chat, I want you to be able to tell me what your schema was, what you already knew. And I want you to be able to tell me at least 1 or 2 new pieces of information about butterflies. Okay, so you can share that with your friends. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.